Hi everyone, welcome back to this session operators in Python. Now in the last session we have discussed about various arithmetic operators which are available in Python. Now we are going to discuss about assignment operators in Python. Now before I go into the assignment operators, there are two things I would like to put across. Now the first thing is, when do you use an assignment operator? So let's say I have three variables. So number 3 is equal to number 1 plus number 2. So in this, what happens is that the first expression to the right side is computed and then the value is assigned to the left side variable. Now this is important that you need to remember, it's always the expression to the right is first computed and then you are assigning to the left variable. Now this is first case where you are using three variables. Let's say you need to use only two variables. Now what happens is that when you say number 3 is equal to number 3 plus number 2, now this becomes a tedious task where you are repeatedly using this. So Python actually gives us a shorthand writing using an assignment operator. And here you can rewrite the expression, that is number 3 is equal to number 3 plus number 2 as number 3 plus equal to number 2. It is just that we are using a shorthand writing using an assignment operator. So we are combining an arithmetic operator to an assignment operator and then we are storing it into a variable. This becomes in handy when you are working with two variables. So are you clear with this? Okay, let me execute and show you. Let's say I'm going to assign the value 10 into the variable x, that is 10. Now suppose if I want to add the x value with the b value, then what I'm going to do, x equal to x plus b. Then if you print of x, let us execute it. What is the output value here? When you run here, the output value x value 10, then 10 plus b value 20, the result 30 is assigned to again in the variable x, then we got the output 30. The same expression now, if I want to rewrite as a assignment operator by using shorthand x plus equal to b, then again if you run this, see what is the output value. Then we got the same. So instead of writing x equal to x plus b, here we can write x plus equal to b. It means that it will be rewritten as x equal to x plus b. If you look into some of the output values for all the assignment operators here, slash equal to, here if x value is 10, if I use x divided with 10, then you will get output value, the quotient value is 1. Then if you use the remainder operator with assignment operator, remainder assignment, then you will get the remainder is 0. If you use the float division, the 10 float divided with 3, then actual value is 3 point something, that will be rounded off to 3. Now if you use the exponential division, then you can get x star star is equal to 3, then 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1000. So these are the various assignment operators, slash equal to and remainder percentage equal to, and then float division is equal to, then exponential is equal to. Various operators we can use. I hope you better understand these assignment operators. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video.